Welcome to PMDC's online lecture room. Lecture number 4. Subject is second year chemistry. Chapter number 17, alkyl halide. The topic is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Lecture outlines are nucleophilic substitution reaction, carbocations and their stability, assignment. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Alkyl halide undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction in which a stronger foreign nucleophile replaces the halogen of alkyl halide as a halide ion. In this example, alkyl halide, which is a substrate molecule, and the nucleophile, foreign stronger nucleophile, replace the halogens as a leaving group, and the nucleophile make a bond with the alkyl group. Nucleophilic substitution reaction, we have nucleophile, but nucleophile have dual character, that sometimes it act as a nucleophile and sometimes it act as a base. So nucleophile act as a nucleophile when a reagent, first we will discuss about the nucleophile. A reagent which can donate an electron pair in a reaction, it attack the region of low electron density, that is positive center in a substrate molecule, and it is represented by Nu having negative charge or with a lone pair of electron. Any species neutral or negatively charged with a lone pair of electron can act both as a base and nucleophile. I can say you that nucleophile act as a nucleophile and a base. But when it act as a nucleophile has ability to form bond with the carbon atom. When a nucleophile make a bond with the carbon atom and removing the halogen atom, nucleophile attack carbon atom in a substitution reaction. That is, you can see here, that is methyl bromide and hydroxyl group, which is act as a strong nucleophile, replacing the halogens, that is Br, as a leaving group, and the nucleophile hydroxyl group directly making bond with the carbon. So this is called substitution reaction, and nucleophile act as a nucleophile, that's replacing the halogens and making a nucleophile bond with the alkyl group. Now, nucleophile act as a base. So when a base is a species which has infinity for proton, that it remove the proton. A base attack on a hydrogen atom in elimination reaction. That is the reaction in which the base remove the proton. So that reactions are called elimination reaction. And the nucleophile act as a nucleophile. So that reactions are called substitution reaction. Now, here you can see that is the B, which is the negatively charged having lone pair of electron, which is base. It is replacing the halogens from the it is replacing hydrogen from the carbon atom. So the B replace hydrogen from the carbon atom, and the halogens X is also replaced from the carbon atom as a leaving group, and the two bonded carbon atom making double bond. This is called elimination reaction. That is, alkyl halide loses halogens as a halide ion plus the adjacent carbon losing its proton and giving the proton to the nucleophile, which act as a base. Carbocations and their stability. When halogen atom detach from the carbon atom of a alkyl halide as a halide ion, the substrate is converted into positively charged ion. Ion in which carbon atom bears positive charge is known as carbocation, or we call them carbonium ion. Types of carbocations. Tertiary alkyl halide give tertiary carbocation R3CBr, that is alkyl bromide, but tertiary alkyl bromide, that is the carbon holding Br having 3R, that is 3 carbon atoms. So when the halogen is replaced from the carbon holding positive charge and halogen holding negative charge. So the C positive with 3 alkyl group, we call them tertiary carbocation. Secondary alkyl halide, that is give secondary carbocations. Secondary carbocations, that is secondary alkyl halides, CH and holding 2 alkyl group R2 CH with Br, that is called secondary alkyl halides. It gives us secondary carbocation, that is R2, that is the carbon which is holding Br, it having 2 alkyl groups So, two carbon atom attached with that carbon, so we call them secondary alkyl halide, and it gives us secondary carbocation, that is R2CH positive, and halogen replaced as a negative ion. In a primary alkyl halide gives us primary carbocations, and the primary alkyl halide is the carbon which is holding Br, that is halogens having just R, 1 R. So it gives us primary carbocation R, CH2 positive and Br negative. Tertiary carbocations are more stable than the secondary, and the secondary are more stable than the primary ones. Why? This stabilization comes from the stabilization of positive charge of carbocations by electron donating alkyl group directly attached. That is, alkyl groups are electron donating group which stabilize the positive charge of the carbocation. Greater the number of alkyl group, greater will be the stabilization of carbocation, and it will be more stable. Greater the number of alkyl group, greater is stability of carbocations. Now, in this example, you can see that in the tertiary carbocation there are three alkyl groups, 3R, which are giving the electron to the positive carbon. So it stabilizes the positive carbon. So tertiary carbocation is more stable than the secondary. In secondary, we have two alkyl group which is stabilizing the hydrogen, but one it holding the hydrogen which is not giving electron to the carbon, so it is less stable. And in the primary, we have just one alkyl group, so primary is more less stable than the tertiary. Assignment. Why tertiary carbocation is more stable? Tertiary carbocation is more stable due to the greater number of alkyl group. Alkyl group mean electron donating group. Thank you.